Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for July 9th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at how we finished off last week. Well, on Friday morning, before market open, we got the employment situation report out, and it was a better than expected jobs report. Looks like the economy created another 222,000 jobs, much better than the expected number, which was around 179,000. That helped stocks close out another winning week. The Dow up 94 points on Friday and is sitting right at that upsloping 20. We have an inside bar type situation here, but if we can break above Thursday's high, we should be off and running to new highs. Still have nice momentum intact. S&P 500 was up 15 points, and although we're below that 20-period moving average, we did see a move higher on Friday. The NASDAQ was interesting. It was up 63 points. So this one is going to have to get back above this moving average to really get anything going here. But, 2 out of the final 3 days of the week saw gains there, which was nice. The Russell was up 15 points on Friday. Bonds were down once again, down about 74 cents, and gold also rolled over. Actually, bonds, gold, crude, everything moving lower. Gold now dipping below this previous low, actually closing below that previous low. So this is not good at all for gold. If you look at this now, we have a double top situation here that with a break below here, really confirms this double top. So we should see lower prices on gold here in the days ahead. Crude was down $1.29 on Friday. Let's try to refresh this chart and see if we can get this going. No, not yet. No, there we go. There we go. There's that drop, a gap lower and closing well below that 20-period moving average. So crude not looking good either here. Now, speaking of more downside and another shorting opportunity, there is a currency pair, and that is the British pound Canadian dollar pair that looks like we should be expecting more downside. Number one, we have some very, very sharp downward momentum on this pair. Also on Friday, I'll zoom in here and show you that we have another reversal signal here after this 2-day retracement back into this downsloping 20. We have a very large bearish engulfing setup, and we closed near the lows here. So if we look at the weekly time frame for this pair, we've also broken below that moving average. And if we look at the monthly, it looks like we're just continuing to grind lower. So I would expect more downside here for the British pound Canadian dollar. Now, this week we also have quite a bit of news due out. On Monday, we have the labor market conditions report and consumer credit. Tuesday, Redbook, JOLTS, wholesale trade. Wednesday, we have NBA mortgage apps, the Beige Book, and Janet Yellen speaks. Thursday, jobless claims, PPI, money supply. Janet Yellen speaks again. And Friday, consumer price index, retail sales, business inventory, consumer sentiment, and the Baker Hughes rig count. So it's going to be a busy week ahead, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.